2022 BMW R 1200GS Adventure. There are two variants available of the R 1250 GS Adventure, Edition 40 years GS, and Standard. BMW R 1250 GS Adventure Meson engine. The R 1250 GS Adventure is powered by a liquid-cooled 1254cc two-cylinder engine that produces 134 horsepower at 7,750 revolutions per minute and 143 nanometers of torque at 6,250 revolutions per minute. The 1250 GS Adventure has a seat height of 890 mm. The front tire size is front tire size, while the rear is 170/60ths R17. Features of BMW R 1250 GS Adventure. Chassis, suspension and brake supporting features include 210 mm suspension travel front, 220 mm suspension travel rear, side wings, two-section body frame type, dual-step seat type, disc front brake, and disc rear brake. Features on the console include digital odometer, digital fuel gauge, display screen, digital speedometer, trip meter, tachometer, and oil change indicator. The world is there to be discovered. There's always something new. The R 1250 GS is the queen of the touring enduro. It's just made for impassable routes, adverse conditions, and the most remote destinations. That is why we have further optimized the high standard of touring suitability and comfort. From driver assistance systems, lighting technology, and advanced riding modes to a USB socket, the R 1250 GS Adventure offers you everything you need to explore unknown places. And thanks to the powerful Boxer engine with BMW ShiftCam, you can reach any destination with ease. Because we know, your ideas for traveling the world are endless. Just typical. Due to the ongoing semiconductor supply situation, LED headlights, as shown, are not currently available for this model. Instead, we will temporarily deliver the bike with our tried and tested halogen headlights. The R 1250 GS Adventure is at home in the world. No destination is too far for it. No underground is alien to it. On the road, off-road, and back again. Even if you don't know what terrain to expect along the way, you can rely on your bike down to the smallest detail. With the R 1250 GS Adventure, you can now enjoy long distances even more intensely, comfortably and confidently, always ready for a few extra miles and miles with that little extra. Make you even more visible in the dark. The cruising light is also eye-catching. It allows the front indicators to shine in a permanently slightly dimmed light and, in combination with the headlight, produces a wide beam. The comfortable ergonomics and seating position of the R 1250 GS Adventure offer outstanding vision and let you control the bike easily. As the handlebars can be raised by up to 30 mm, you can ride comfortably and confidently even as a tall rider or standing up while off-road. Addition, the wide range of seat heights from 790 to 910 mm and the extensive selection of seats will help you find the right R 1250 GS Adventure for you. And the seat heating system ensures that you and your passenger enjoy every tour even more. More radiance, visibility, and prominence. The full LED swiveling headlights and adaptive headlights help improve illumination and constant range to the side, up and down, depending on the ground gradient, payload, and inclination in curves. This way, the light is with you wherever you ride. The LED turn signals with cruising light option provide an eye-catching appearance, with constantly dim lighting at the front, while at the rear, the multifunctional LED indicators increase passive safety. Further highlights, The welcome and goodbye function, as well as the driving lights, which can be activated when the ignition is switched off, very practical when maneuvering in the dark. Confident, reliable, powerful, just like the ideal companion should be in known and unknown worlds. Thanks to the variable camshaft control system BMW ShiftCam, the boxer engine of the R 1250 GS Adventure turns long distances into pure pleasure. What does this mean for you? Smoother running in the low speed range and high torque in each speed range. This results in a balanced running culture that gives you even more confidence and dynamics when riding your R 1250 GS Adventure.